What's up to YouTube? Thank you guys for checking out my channel once again. This is my first video of the new year. Just going to cover a little bit of what I learned these past couple weeks. Honestly, been really busy with a lot of holiday stuff these couple weeks, but I did get a chance to spend a good amount of time doing some more work on this course yesterday. So yeah, trying to get the new year started off right. Thank you guys for checking this channel out. See y'all here in a second. Hey, so we finished off the last video. One of the last things that you kind of went over was working with directories and in files. So kind of learning how to create, copy, delete directories and files, learning how to edit files. And so now kind of what I've gone over most recently is the pipes and filters. So learning how to combine like existing commands to new things, pretty much, such as redirecting a command's output to a file, constructing command pipelines with 2 or more stages in it, explaining what the advantage of like linking commands with pipes and filters, and so also learned how to sort different outputs, know how to put it in numerical order depending on what the output is, if it's numeral or not, and also through the use of the WC word count, learned how to basically see how many lines are in a file, how many words are in a file, and how many characters basically are within a file, and learning kind of how to organize that, how to sort it, order it, and pull information from those files. So that's pretty cool, pretty helpful, pretty useful. Also learn how to use the echo command in order to basically print out a string and be able to input that into a file that's already created. So that's kind of cool too. I also learned how to use the head and the tail commands within the pipeline to check data basically in files and everything. So another cool feature. Also learned how to use the cat command and the cut command as well. All right, so far I've made it through about 22% of the foundations course for the Odin project. Again, it's basically just teaching I'm learning a lot of the foundations of, the internet, how computers work, learning how to work with Linux through the virtual machine that I have downloaded on my computer. I think soon we're gonna get to learn how to use the VS Code. So yeah, I mean, everything's been going pretty well. Just trying to soak in all the information basically that we've been going over, especially the command line stuff that we've been going over, because I know it's gonna really come in handy moving forward into this course and into just learning how to develop software, develop websites, work through files, and I can see how a lot of the information is definitely going to be useful moving forward and down the line, hopefully where I can get a job. So yeah, so far we're doing pretty good. Actually, the next lesson is going to be going over or basically setting up GitHub. So I'm so fresh to this, I barely even know what GitHub is. I downloaded it before, I think a previous lesson had me download it just in preparation for later portions of this course. So like I said, a lot of this is still fresh and still new to me. It's a lot of information, new information to take in. Just kind of coming from not knowing much about a lot of or any of this, but I believe and I know that I'm gradually soaking up more and more knowledge in it. Again, still really fresh with everything, but I mean, I can definitely say that I know a lot more than I knew a couple weeks ago, a couple months ago, than when I first started making these videos, to try to keep myself accountable for continuing on this line of these courses and trying to work myself up to being a software engineer, developer. So yeah, we're getting there. Again, still very fresh. Still learning a lot of these things that I'm sure a lot of you is second nature at this point. You know, and I'm just hoping that one of these days it'll be second nature for me too. So I'm just gonna keep at it, continue moving forward, and just kind of take my time, not really feel rushed in these courses. Try to make sure that I'm soaking up the right information, or soaking up the information well, and yeah, just try to build up from there, and hopefully get a really good foundation with this foundations course, and just continue on moving forward. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out my video. For those that have supported, liked my videos, subscribed to my channel, I just want to thank you guys that have done that. Thank you for that. Continue to leave encouragement, please. Continue to leave any advice on things, or a little bit of some of your own stories in learning tech and learning coding, for those of you that have taken that path. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like this video again if you haven't already. And just thank you guys for everything. Y'all have a great day. Bye.